Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds from 3dgameman.com, and this next Q&A video is about keyboards and how you can remove them and disable them from syncing from Windows 8 system to Windows 8 system. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, let's just say you have a few computer systems that have Windows 8 on it, and you're syncing everything because this is what Windows 8 is all about, syncing all your stuff. And for the most part, it does work quite well. It's pretty cool. But sometimes it does some silly things, like if you have a tablet or a notebook, for example, that has, in my case, a Canadian multilingual standard keyboard, a CMS keyboard, and another system, my desktop, doesn't have, the CMS keyboard, has just the basic US keyboard, and all of a sudden I check back and I start typing, and the CMS keyboard is the one that's primary and not the US keyboard. So that can be confusing, irritating, and very, very frustrating. So I'm basically going through with you how to fix that particular issue, but also to know where you can go if you want to change the keyboard. You can add them, or you can remove keyboards if need be. So first thing to do here is, if you're on a tablet, go on the right side, swipe over, and you'll get the search option. Now, you can go through the control panel, of course, if you want to do that as well. I'm showing you the easiest way here. Go to search, make sure everywhere or settings is selected, and type in language. And what you want here is region and language settings. What comes up for me, as you can see here, is just seemingly just one keyboard. But within this, you've got options, and here you have the culprit for my desktop computer system that I'm using for work and stuff. So I want to remove this. Just click on it and go remove, and it pretty much solves it. But we're not finished yet. Now, before I move on here, you can add a keyboard, no problem. And within each keyboard, you can set it as primary. You've got the options, and you've got remove. I'll remove that one. But remember your sync settings. You go down here to language preferences. Also make sure that you don't sync the keyboard on this particular computer system if you don't want it to sync. Now, the issue with turning this off, of course, is that it's not going to only affect keyboards. It's going to affect input methods, display language, personal dictionary, and more. So keep that in mind. I hope this video has been helpful, and remember, if you enjoy watching my videos, subscribe to the channel and like them. Again, I'm Rodney Reynolds from 3dgameman.com.